Hey, yeah, welcome back to another Vlogmas, day 19. Look who came to visit from all the way down the, oh, you mean, down the Senti. Look who come to town. I got throw in some coconut rice, so use the coconut powder. Yeah, little coconut white rice. I'm gonna put on 2 tin mackerel. Today Friday. You know me never cook on Friday. Happy Friday to Uno. Make this go on process. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna add in the rice. Right, butter. Guys, food don't cook and food don't eat. I didn't even remember to show you. Alright, what's in the bag? So I did not buy this stuff, Miss Chin did, so I'm just gonna put away the stuff, but I'm gonna show you what she bought. Alright guys. Alright, she bought brown bread. Yeah, know that brown bread is good for you, right? This is what you're supposed to consume because it contains wheat. Yeah, hard dough bread. Whenever I go to like the supermarket, I always buy brown bread. Right. Oh, ketchup. Good. I use the last of the ketchup today and put in the mackerel with the spaghetti. Yep. Right. So now the cupboard right this one. Alright, popcorn. Yeah, I'm a popcorn lover. Are you a popcorn lover? Alright, what is this now? Alright, broad beans. Okay. What is this? Fruit delights. So I think she bought like 3 of these. Turn around. Alright, vegetable oil. Put it right inside of the cupboard. Oh, another broad bean. Alright. Broad bean from broad bean. Yep. There were this cream filled cupcakes. Okay, so one is strawberry and one is chocolate. Hope you all see me. Alright, what else? Ginger biscuits. Yeah, I like ginger biscuits, so this is definitely a must for me. What else is in the bag? Oh, tea biscuits, rice. This is a lot of rice. So I'm going to organize the cupboard and put them in it, guys. Okay, so more rice. Flour. This is 3 pound. So 3 pound of flour, $255. You can see it. Alright. Some meat. So this goes in the freezer. Alright. Okay. Let me near drop. What else is in the bag? Oh, saltfish. Okay. Alright. Oh, put it up on the fridge. These in the. Okay, I'm gonna punch, you know. Alright, this is the in the pan. Hold on, guys. Okay. Oh, that's it. So guys, the segment here is called Caesar Greetings. Who you want to send Caesar greetings to? Who want to go first? Nicole, this Jane. Me not cut it.
Greetings to everybody who knows me.
People don't have the name.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
To who? Tell the people the name. I'm going to send them because I get them shy. Alright, Caesar greetings, all my co-workers, which are YouTubers. Yeah, Caesar greetings to my granny in my country. Andres, what go on? Be quiet. Ready now, Anika.
Season greetings. I'm sending greetings to my family. I'm sending greetings to my family in Manchester and the rest of my relatives in St. Elizabeth. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
What else? Miss Jane,
Greetings.
who you want to say
To your
greetings
sister
to?
them.
Oh, when you talking, I want to talk. Come say greetings.
I
Come.
know the talk.
Come. Because you wanted to talk while we were talking. Oh, if you come back from the commitment, let's see. Yeah, Christmas will come on, Lama. What do you want for Christmas?
Well, what I would like for Christmas is a long life, happiness with families and friends. That's it.
What do you want for Christmas? Long life. Happiness. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
It's not copycat, it's what I want. That's what I want too. So what's wrong with that? You know what? You know what long life too? You know what long life too? As I was saying, long life too, happiness and forever young. Forever 21. Yeah, how you are? Mr. You are.
I love to live to see many more Christmas and happiness and
Then the same thing, yeah, copycat too.
No.
It's the same thing, long
only
life happiness.
tonight.
Then it's
Only happiness, mister.
It's the same thing. Yes. That is our season
I
greetings,
wish
guys.
you a many more Christmas.
Yeah, to you all out there, to our subscribers, our regular viewers.
We
Yeah.
wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yay!
When it comes. Yeah. So guys, it's currently 9:01 p.m. It's time for me to take a shower. Everywhere we go. No man, I just have soda. So I must have put the rabbits on. I used to want to support today, guys. So guys, I'm gonna do a undress run to the line. Risky business, man.
The juice.
Oh.
You see, avec.
Let's see, open it with the scissors. Okay, alright. Oh. So popcorn. Put everything in that one because everything will go one place. What y'all think? Tastes good.
Over the years of raising ants, I've always
Oh, hey.
found the most rare and ant will explore the power of these large species. So make sure to watch till the end to find out what
Hold on. I'll get you something to drink.
Alright guys, so I have some packages coming in from ASAP. So let me check on them. I'm signing first. What they say? Peak season shipping update. We are currently experiencing longer than usual processing time due to a significant increase in package volumes this season. Okay, got it. I'm signing now. Swagwan. Alright, so it says 3 packages are ready for pickup, 3 incoming. Alright, well guys, maybe till all of the packages them reach. I'm gonna just go up there one time and pick up everything one time. Can it make sense? I go up there every minute. Yep. So maybe by Monday, everything is probably ready for pickup. So don't you say I guess at the points thing. But from the time you had to visit the ASAP, I'm supposed to have more points than this. So right now, since I have 3 package at ASAP, the bill there $2,690. So as soon as the other package them reach, the bill I go up. Yeah. So 3 packages to $2,690 for now. Yeah. Alright, my little goats. Alright, my little goats. So I guess Monday or Sunday night, I check back with them and see what's up with the package them.